She's
Well, we
coming.
got rid of her. You're next. We can leave you here with the roosters.
Hello.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Good afternoon everything! Hi po guys sa inyo guys. 3 days na ngayon na nagka-problema kami si Misty. Naglimping-limping na guys. Hindi na makatayo. Ay, magkatayo siya. Pero, come on. Tignan nyo. Come on, monkey. Misty, come. Look, she's limping. Her left leg, well, the right back leg, yung legs niya, yung one leg niya sa right side, sa likuran, is, hold on. Look. Hindi niya mailagay. Hindi niya maitapak. Look. Nahirapan po siya, guys. So, hindi niya maitapak sa sahig. And then, every time na maglakad siya, ganon-ganon, limping-limping siya. So, ngayon, 3 days na ito. Actually, 2-3 days na. And, nag-alala na kami. Baka, baka ano na itong naramdaman niya, ganon. So, tumawag si Tami ng vet. Bukas, punta tayong vet. Mahal na naman, mapagasto na naman. Pero, kailangan sa baby ni mama. To make my baby feel good. Yeah. So, yun. At saka si Roxy, mag-stay lang dito mag-isa bukas. For the first time, guys. For the first time, si Roxy mag-iisa dito sa bahay without Misty, me, or Tommy. Yung cat lang. First time. Noong bata pa sila, 6 weeks old pa sila. Magkasama na itong dalawa at never pa ito silang naghiwalay. So, kaya, maninibago yan si Roxy bukas, guys. Kasi first time niyang mahiwalay sa kapatid niya. Silang dalawa is always together forever. Best friend forever. Tignan niyo yan. Best friend. Sila yung best friend forever, ha? Kayong dalawa, best friend. Always best friend ba na? Anyway, guys. So, ikat ko yung buhok ni Misty. And then, i-shower din ko din siya, guys. Kaya, charge ko itong hair cutter ito. Trimmer nila. So, yeah. Okay, guys. Before. Misty, before. Monkey after. Look. I love you so much. Hi, baby.
What's that blanket sitting over there?
Which blanket?
Put the cover on the bottom.
So now this room is need a TV now.
Well, we got that TV and we got the one we just got.
But we don't need a wire. We don't need
I need
a.
the bracket from upstairs in the third floor.
Where did you put it?
I didn't get it. I need to get it.
No, the one. There is one in the
Attic.
No, there is one in the
That
small
little-
TV.
That little one. Yeah, that's not big enough for that. I need that one because it has an arm on it.
And then
Right here, and you pull it out.
can
Pull it back.
but does it need to be big? You think that TV have a thing like a stick thing for the like what we have?
No, that does not.
Also, the TV. How about the TV that from our bedroom up? Where is it?
I had my stick plugged into it. Obviously.
Oh yeah. Oh, you have extra one.
I got the Roku.
You have the Roku. Is it different?
It's better.
It's better.
It's better than the Amazon stick.
You guys be careful getting down.
Can I get down? Because on the Roku, I can get all the channels that we get here.
Oh, a TV too.
Yeah.
Well, you know what the Fire Stick is? The Amazon Prime. That's really
I
it.
can get Amazon Prime on the Roku too.
Yeah, but that Roku is expensive, right?
No, it costs the same as the Amazon stick.
Really? What?
The only reason why I bought the second Amazon stick is because you wanted that one.
I wanted it because, you know, if I lie down in your office, there is
I know, but
something.
the Roku was better.
Yeah, I don't know that you have another one. I forgot that you always use it. Hi guys, nakaligo na po ako at kanina lang guys na napagod ako guys kasi pagbangon ko kaninang umaga diretso nag-ano ng video na gumawa ng tawag nun, nag-film sa nakuha sa dumpster. And also, pagkatapos nun, nabisi na ako sa linis, and then, of course, nabisi na ako sa kanya. And then, ito na yung before and after. Ito na yung after si Misty. Look. Tomorrow, Misty will go over there. Look, she's limping, guys. You're gonna go tomorrow, right? Look at that. She's limping. Oy, I love you so much. She's gonna go to the vet tomorrow. And she is so clean and very shiny and soft. Malinis na siya, guys. Smells good na my baby. Mama have to look for your record, okay? Mama's gonna look for your record that we can give it to the other vet, okay? You're hungry? You're hungry? Oh, poor baby. Tomorrow, they will look for your foot, okay? We're gonna go to the vet. Yes, Dada called the vet because we don't like seeing you like that. It's painful. Why she's crying? Guys, why she's crying? Oh my God. She's crying, look. She's crying. Why you crying? Why you crying, huh? Inabasa yung mata niya, guys. Ganyan yan siya, guys. Ano siya, guys, since, ano siya ba, yung parang piti-piti herself sometimes, ay. And Misty's crying, Han. I don't know, Han, her eyes is just watering. What's wrong? You're in pain? Oh, baby. Yes, you are in pain. Kawawa.
You put it down, as soon as we put it down, you can run the other direction.
No, you wait. Mangga at
Vinegar?
sour mango and vinegar.
Livey, talk to the wifey.
Yeah, guys. Anyway, guys. So, alis kami. Punta kami sa vet para kay Misty. And then, this is the first time na magkahiwala yung dalawa. So, my Rorox will be sad. She's over there lying down. Oh. Sad.
The seats are down, right? We're just going to put Misty on the seats while they're down.
Look at, guys. Roxy won't leave Misty. I said, Misty, let's go, Roxy. Yeah, Roxy doesn't wanna leave. Doesn't wanna... Look. Look, gusto niyang pumasok na. Roxy, where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Go inside, go up. Roxy, go. Go to the car.
We'll go back in the house.
Go in. Roxy cannot just stay put. You can't just stay put here. God, this is what happens when you have kids. Look, Roxy cannot just...
Start the car up with the edges.
They're together forever and ever. It's gonna be a heartbreaking...
Dumb and Dumber.
Seriously. They're together. Like... Look at them. Close the thing. Okay, now you're staying here. Misty's over there.
She does not want to go.
She doesn't want to go?
She keeps looking back at me like...
Dada, where are you?
That's why I had to walk all the way up to the door.
Look at this other one. Oh, like, where's my sister go? Where's your sister? Where's Misty? That's the first... They're always together, guys. Even to go inside the vet together.
They do usually go into it together.
Yeah, they used to go get together.
They don't go one at a time. They take them both together.
Yeah, they are like...
They'll take them into the doctor office one at a time. But
they never get separated. But look at this other one here. Like, confused. Like, where's my sister? Where they bring my sister? Where is he? Where is Misty? Where is Misty? She's coming back. Look, where's Misty? She's coming.
well, we got rid of her. You're next. We can leave you here with the roosters.
Look at that, guys. Ayaw na ayaw talaga niya yung maiwan siya. Tignan niya. Nag-alala na yan siya. Where is Monkey? Where's Misty? Oh, Misty's gone. Misty is gone. Roxy, Misty's gone. Your sister will coming back, okay? You know that. She will come back. She'll come back. Okay guys, so ngayon guys, tapos na po yung vet. Andito na kami sa Burger King kasi gusto ni Tami ng Burger King. And nagutom na, walang lunch, yun. And yun, I don't know, yung vet is $118 lang yung nagasto namin sa vet. So, yun. I don't know kung... Kasi for sure, if sa other vet yun, mahal yun. Mga probably nasa 200 something. Kasi yung pinuntahan namin na vet kasi is ano siya, rescue center. So, anyway, yung problema pala ni Misty, may problema na siya sa ano, may problema na siya sa tuhod niya, sa likuran. And then yung isang tuhod sa likuran din is may problema. May something ba? So, kaya natatakot kami guys kung anong gagawin. Then, binigyan siya ng pills para sa painkiller. Kasi yun yung nafe-feel ni Misty. Kaya ayaw niyang maitapak dahil sa sakit. And then, sabi pa ng vet, sa edad daw ni Misty ngayon, hindi man sila old guys. Mga 6 years old. So, sa edad daw ni Misty, dapat ba daw i-surgery? Parang ganun ba? Kailangan pa bang i-surgery? So, yun, kailangan lang silang alagaan. So, yun lang. So, yun. And then, Misty's right here. Hello, monkey. How's your knee? How's your knee? And that one is annoying. Oh, Roxy's annoying. Poppin and Poppin. We're gonna be home soon. We're gonna be home soon, monkey. Okay. Did you ruin it?
No.
I heard something over there. You killed the fish.
I'm trying to get this one out.
So, bumili pa talaga siya ng guys, para maayos itong upuan. Itong upuan na maganda. Nagtinapon lang. Ang mahal pala nito guys. Grabe. Almost $3,000. Binilhan niya ng gamit binilhan niya yun kasi may nasira. Yung sa so, binilhan niya ng gamit. Ito yung binili ni Tami. Para sa upuan. So, yun. Anyway, so yun guys. So, magda-dumpster dive kami mamaya. And then yun, si Misty, kailangan ko pala siyang lagbigyan ng Tignan nyo guys, ganito ako sabihin ko kay Tami kung binigyan ba niya ng medisina. Tignan natin kung gaano kalaki itong medisina. Ay, maliit lang pala. Did you give Misty medicine? No. Okay, I'll give it to her now, okay? She will take it. Oh, naglimping-limping man ang baby. Come on. So, ito kasi yung style ng vet kapag magpainom ng aso ng medisina. Aloy. Good, I love you. Ito siya. Ganito, guys. Oh. Open yung mouth. And then, yan. I-ano lang yung mouth, i-open. And then, pagkatapos niyan, ipasok yung medisina doon sa loob ng bibig, talagang pinakadulo ng bibig. Okay? Okay, I'll give you Misty a treats. Come on, I'll get a Bouncy. Para hindi siya masad. Ito sa cat treats po ito. Pero gustong-gusto din nila ito. So, bigyan natin. You like it, huh? Have si bag to like it. Okay. Okay, and then I will give you a Masaya na yan. Yun lang. One medication. So, kapag meron kayong aso, guys, and then mahirapan kayo, pagpainom ng medisina, or kahit ano-ano yung mga kailangang ipainom, so, ang gagawin nyo lang is open the mouth, and then, ilagay niyo sa gilid, sa pinakagilid, and then, ipasok niyo sa loob, and then, yun, diretso na yan niya maswalo, hindi na yan mailabas. This is how you do when you diet. When you diet, don't eat rice. Eat ice cream. Triopolitan, guys. It's a trio. It's a mint, chocolate, and vanilla. It's 3 like this. It's yummers, guys. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kararating lang namin galing basura na masura kami. Meron kami nakuha at sana nakikita nyo yun, proud. Nakikita na ninyo yun. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys sa mga susunod na video. Salamat po sa panonood ng mga videos natin. Yan, anyway, good night guys. It's already 12:20 ng gabi. Good night.